from Maldives. We're on our way up north. We're headed to Foxy's today to check that out. See if there's waves there that we can surf. But it's a long boat ride, so it's going to be pretty boring. I'm not going to bore you with it. However, we're going to be fishing. Yesterday we caught 3 mahi-mahi. Had some good meals with that. And we docked at this really cool, calm area. Very beautiful. Like, they're reclaiming a lot of land here. Over there it's about 5 hotels, some shopping and things like that. Some other boats in the harbor. Went to land yesterday to a store. I picked up a jig for my fishing pole just in case we're doing some more fishing. And I had an ice cream. Nice quiet little town. Just nothing going on there though. This island right here is just a long strip. It looks like a runway made out of sand. It has a soccer field and some houses and a ministerial house, which is a really nice house, and everybody else is kind of like just a regular house. Interesting island. We're gonna start heading back up, so we'll let you know if anything interesting happens. Mr. Berlin catching a fish. Come on, pull it. No, you're not jacking off. Pull that fucking thing in here. Jesus, it's not small strokes.
There's nothing on there. Scott, it's like nothing.
That's I don't think so. Come on. Berlin, let it go. How was your first yank
Catch,
on the
not catch? It was amazing.
This is home for the night. This is where we're gonna sleep. I ran out of sunscreen, so I gotta go into the shore here and get some more at the store. It's the wave we were surfing today. Long journey to get here. Island of Laredo. I think you have to say it that way. That's what everybody said. Laredo. Bigger island. They brought out the red bricks for us. Guy looks like he's been there for a while. Like a dive location. Amico Mart. Hello, how are you?
Me side of the sunscreen. No sunscreen here.
Oh, okay. Just the coconut oil. I have that. It's a cool store, though. This is a big dive island, huh? Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay.
All sun. All sun.
All right. So what do you call those?
Short eats.
Sorted?
Short eats.
Short eats. Because you're short and you're eating, or because they're short?
Both short eats. Water fe bhi baragad bhai ho. And the student funny